Creating a Paysend account is a simple process. Download the Paysend app, visit the Paysend website or download the Paysend app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app. Open the Paysend app and click on Sign Up or Create Account. Enter your details. You need to provide personal information such as full name, email address, phone number, password. Verify your email. After entering your details, Paysend will send a verification code to your email. Check your inbox, enter the code in the app, and click Verify. Add payment method. Once your email is verified, you will need to link a payment method. You can choose from debit or credit card, bank account, other supported payment methods depending on your region. Complete your profile. To enhance security and enable more features, you may be asked to complete your profile by providing proof of identity, proof of address. Set preferences. Customize your preferences, including currency, transaction limits, and security settings. Start using Paysend. Once your account is set up, you can start sending money globally or domestically through Paysend's intuitive interface.